Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is just a quick guide on how to play BeamNG with your friends and have fun together. Of course, if you have any friends. This method uses no mods, but you will have to download an app, so be aware of that. And just a quick disclaimer, you must already have BeamNG installed on your PC, otherwise this method won't work. So this isn't a way to crack BeamNG or play without having to pay for it. So yeah, let's just get right into it. So first of all, what we're going to do is go to the page that I'm gonna link in the description, and it's called BeamNG. So I'm gonna link it down below. So if you're lazy as hell and you don't want to search it up by yourself. Yeah, this is the site. So we're gonna click on download client, and it's a really small download, and we're actually gonna open it up. So you will be greeted by this zip folder. So we're gonna click on BeamNG install, and you're gonna select the language you want to have this in. So I'm gonna select English, okay, and then just to accept the agreement, so click on next, next again. So I'd recommend you to create a desktop shortcut, so you can just launch it as if it was normal BeamNG, because this is actually going to launch your stock BeamNG app. So we're gonna click on next and on install, and it's already finished. So we're gonna click on finish, and it's automatically gonna open up. So I'm gonna just, yeah, and you have to click on launch game. And as you can see, it's opening up your average BeamNG app, but you're gonna have the multiplayer button right here. So if you click on it, you have to accept these terms of service and rules first, and just click on continue, and you can play as a guest if you don't want to create an account. So yeah, so I'm just gonna select my name, and yeah, there's a list of servers that's gonna appear on the screen. You can see the location here. So this is where the server is located. So you're gonna have a smaller amount of lag if you choose a server that's near you. And then you can see that these are official BeamNG servers, which I'm gonna get into in a bit. And yeah, the map that they're in and how many players there are currently. So let's say you wanna join a server. You're gonna click on not full, because you can enter full servers, and maybe a mod size limiter, because this is how it works. So basically there are these servers, and there are a certain amount of mods, for example cars or maps, and you can choose between many different mod options. So for example, this one has the Notschleife, and so you're gonna race onto the Nürburgring. And if you don't have much space available, or you just wanna play right away, you're gonna click on mod size limiter and maybe put it on 100 megabytes or even 0. So you're not gonna have any mods, so it's just gonna be the stock vanilla game. And as I've already mentioned, there are official BeamNG servers. So these are hosted by the people who made this app. And there are also some other servers which are created by people, by players basically. So we're gonna go back to the site, and as you can see, you can download the server. So you can host a server, and you just have to follow the steps that they tell you to follow right here on their wiki. And yeah, I'm not gonna get into that because this quick tutorial is just on how to play online. You can basically just start playing by clicking on it and then connecting, and it's just gonna load the map, and if there are any mods, it's gonna download those mods. And as you can see, you're greeted by nothing. So if you just click on escape and then manage, you can select a vehicle to start with. So I don't know, I'm just gonna spawn in a stock 800 series. And as you can see, we're in, and we're basically ready to play. We can basically just start driving. And right now I'm having some issues with the controller, so I'm not able to pair it up, but you may not have this problem. It's probably because I use a PS5 controller, so it's not supported yet, but I'm just gonna be able to drive with the keyboard for now. And probably even if you have a wheel, you're just gonna have to set it up manually, so yeah, be aware of that. And yeah, that's basically it. You're just gonna click on quit to exit the server. So yeah, as you can see, we have the icon right here, and yeah, we're basically done. Now you know how to play BeamNG with people online. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave it a thumbs up, and remember to sub to the channel. We're getting quite a bit of subs. I didn't expect as many, but yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.